Imagine a world where heavy-duty truck inspections are seamless and efficient. This video explores how eAuditor revolutionizes truck maintenance, ensuring safety and peak performance. Discover how standardized digital inspections transform fleet operations. The heavy-duty truck maintenance inspection is vital for safety and reliability. It prevents breakdowns and ensures compliance with safety standards. Key objectives include detecting defects early and maintaining roadworthiness. The inspection covers everything from engines to safety equipment. Documenting findings and assigning corrective actions are crucial. Setting up inspections in eAuditor is straightforward. Create a checklist covering all vehicle aspects, including photo documentation. Use yes, no, or not applicable responses with comments for issues. Capture evidence with photos and videos. Align inspections with DOT regulations and internal policies. Start with verifying vehicle information like VIN and registration, record odometer readings and maintenance intervals. Note any existing issues such as dents or corrosion. Capture photographic evidence and document previous repairs. This ensures a comprehensive overview of the vehicle's condition. Inspect the engine for smooth operation and check fluid levels. Assess the drivetrain for vibrations or unusual noises. Ensure the brake system is in top condition by checking pads and fluid levels. Inspect suspension and steering for alignment and responsiveness. These checks ensure reliability and safety. Identify risks systematically and manage corrective actions digitally. Capture evidence of defects and track their resolution. Classify defects as critical, major, or minor. Assign repairs to responsible staff and prioritize based on impact. eAuditor ensures accountability at every stage. Standardized inspections with eAuditor ensure trucks are safe and reliable. Digital evidence capture and corrective action tracking enhance fleet performance. Embrace eAuditor for efficient maintenance and minimize downtime.